All right, Heather, I thought that I would do a video for you instead. I'm going to see if we can make a little trial of doing videos. Good practice for myself. And also I think it's going to give you a lot more help if I'm just here to kind of walk you through it. So you bought the OpenClaw hype when it went viral. You got a Mac Mini $399. Great. That's a really good price. SO works in IT, understood a bit more than you outside of security. So security was one of your biggest concerns. So actually, this is pretty good to go through right now, is that by default, if you're running OpenClaw locally, OpenClaw is by nature very, very secure. The things that you want to keep out for is if you're doing automated jobs online, you want to basically be protected against prompt injections. And doing this is quite easy. You could go to Cloud Hub, for example, and search for a security operator or a prompt injector protector, and your OpenClaw is pretty much going to be quite safe from it. Now, it's not 100%, it's never 100%, but here's the thing. You have the potential to do so much with OpenClaw right now to really improve your life and to improve your business as well, to automate things that you never thought about, and you can come up with solutions that OpenClaw can just build. And since I see here, you're running Olama, and you also have an NVIDIA key to use Kimi K2.5 for free. Look, you have a prime opportunity here to really fuck around and find out and just go for it. In terms of security, you're good. OpenClaw, as I said, by default, quite secure. They made a lot of updates to OpenClaw since it launched. And those security flaws that were so apparent have already been patched. And locally, you're safe. So my recommendation, fuck around, find out, and start using OpenClaw to do where you see the potential. You want to learn, and your goal is to be able to use this to help you create content for your clients. I'm curious to know what kind of content, because if it's like SEO content or if it's social media content, it's very different things, right? From an agency standpoint, so yeah, I assume you have an agency, which is great. You use Go High Level, yeah, that's nice. So yeah, the Go High Level integration is I'm looking into it myself, and so far I think they're working on an OpenClaw integration that's going to be more impactful than Go High Level's API, but I am not an expert in Go High Level, so I cannot say. And you considered letting it train itself on your clients' courses, Skillshare, YouTube videos. I think this is really, really good. You should definitely do that. And you should also run a nightly test where you ask OpenClaw, like, could you build me, knowing everything that you know about my clients or my services and whatnot, and even if you can integrate it into your processes, for example, on how you use your task management system like Slack or ClickUp. No, not Slack. ClickUp, Monday, Linear, no, whatever the other ones are. I built my own task management system with Claude Code, so I can just implement OpenClaw very easily into that. Definitely train your clients and then have it come up with solutions that would basically make your agency better or improve your services. And then, look, it might not be good the first time, but I promise you that if you keep going and improve and iterate every time it comes up with an idea, and you can steer it over time and add that to its memory, then you're going to be able to build some pretty awesome solutions that you never thought were available, right? And this is what it's all about. Really mess around and find out and see how far you can take it. Yeah. So that's the message to you, and I hope that is helpful. Take care.